Hey there guys, welcome back to another TJ video. It's a cool 31 degrees this afternoon. It's like 3:30 in the evening. It's 31 degrees. It's kind of cold. We don't have any snow, as you can see. It just hasn't snowed a lot this year, but the lake's frozen over. So that's pretty cool. In today's video, we're going to talk about, if you haven't noticed already, I got the extra wide Fender flares. All right, so my original was like 3.5. It was like there. These are 6. So I bought these off Marketplace for like 90 bucks or something. And the only reason, I'm not a huge fan of the look, but the main reason I bought them is because I wanted the more tire coverage. Because when I was driving down the road, I noticed that water was flinging up off of it, and it would end up shooting by my mirror, and I'd get mud everywhere. Obviously still getting some mud on the rear fender flare, but it's altogether it's not that bad. And I still have to replace these. I got new ones with these, but they're really hard to get off. So for my front fenders, now yours may be different, because I watched a YouTube video saying this is how you take off TJ front flares, and they're different than whatever mine were, right? So for mine, up and in here, you got all these little bolts or nuts or screws, sorry, and then on the back you have a little plastic coupling there. This spins when you spin the screw on this side, so you have to get back here with like some vice grips or a wrench that fits it or something and hold on to that. And there's a lot of them. There's one there, there's one there, there's supposed to be one there, didn't put it back. There's one there, there's supposed to be one there, didn't put it back. And then back here, oh, that one broke through. That's no good. These are all nutserts in the body. All my nutserts broke out. Sorry for holding you sideways. All my nutserts broke out, so we replaced them with bolts. As you can see, some of these bolts are pulling through the plastic, which isn't good. But these 3 here we replaced with bolts, which you can actually access from underneath. I think mine can. Maybe not yours, but mine can. And you stick your arm up in there and do those. For these side ones, it's gonna be a pain, because this one here, where is it? It's a nutsert, and I can't actually get in there. But yeah. So that's for the front fenders, and then for the rear fenders, it's basically the same thing, but you just have them along here, and here you have a couple bolts that we replaced as well, along with this one here that you can get up from underneath there. But this entire inner fender well has to come out for those to come out. But altogether, I like the look of it. I mean, I'm not a super huge fan of the look, but it looks good enough for me for now. I have them on both sides, and then maybe I'll build a flat style fender sometime down the road or something. But you know, who knows? I mean, got a lot more work to do. I think that's all the updates on the TJ. Yeah, I can't really think of anything else. Out here with the dog, she's hanging out too, sniffing around and stuff. That's all I can think of. Yeah, I haven't done a whole lot. One thing that is happening is my ignition switch is kind of acting up and stuff, so sometimes I can't start it. So what I've been doing is, if it doesn't start, you gotta come in here, turn the key on to on, right? But don't start. Make sure it's in neutral for mine. I gotta make sure it's in neutral, and I go over to the starter with a really big screwdriver, and the starter is located right down here. Go over to the starter, use the really big screwdriver, and just connect that top bolt to the clip, and it should crank and start up as long as you're in neutral. Make sure you're in neutral, or else your Jeep's gonna drive away or launch forward onto you. But yeah, I'm also thinking of buying a new center console, right? Because I don't have my lock. I want a tan interior, and this center console would be tan. So I don't know if I'll do that. It's 20 bucks, but it's a couple 100 miles away, so I don't know if it's worth it. And then there's also the chrome side steps. They're there too, because I took mine off because they were junk. But I want the chrome side steps too. So I might go do that this weekend. But I don't really know. So yeah, that's all the updates on the TJ. I think, I don't know if I'll make another one of these videos sometime soon. Who knows? It's kind of sporadic. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.